College-bound students have many choices to make, including how they will use their college experience in preparing themselves to live independently after college. College is an opportunity for your child to hone the skills they need to live independently, such as budgeting, paying off the credit card monthly, and of course, recognizing the importance of paying bills before optional spending. Since often students are supported by their parents or student financial aid or loans, these are opportunities to become educated in how to manage money in a relatively safe environment. In addition, living in an apartment typically requires showing a good credit score, so that is a bonus that your student can earn. For more information on how you and your teen can plan for college and future financial independence, see our website or go to Amazon to purchase our book, Financially Independent Teens by Nancy Burgundy and Irene Van Dyke.